Hi, in this video we're going to show you how to view, download, and remove cloud fonts in Microsoft Office programs. Then we're also going to show you how to remove the feature altogether so you don't even see them. So you might have noticed when you're in programs such as Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and you go to your font drop-down list that you have these cloud icons here. So when you see these, this doesn't mean that these fonts are installed on your computer. It just means you have an option to download them. So if I were to click on this cloud next to this font here and then go back to it, now you can see it's part of my fonts on my computer. And if I go to my font listing and settings, you'll see that that font is not there. So if you wanted to remove it, you're probably wondering, how do I do so? Okay, so that's add lam display, if I'm saying that correctly. So that's the one we're looking for. So to find these fonts, what you want to do is go to this location here. So on your C drive, under your user folder, your username, so you'll have to change this to your username. AppData local Microsoft font cache for cloud fonts. And if you're missing one of these folders such as AppData, you might have to go into the Explorer settings and make sure that show hidden folders is applied, which you could do from the options and then view and then show hidden files, folders, and drives. So that might need to be on if you don't see one of these folders. All right, so now going back to here, so add lam display, that's what we're looking for. I already have this open, so let me refresh it. So now we can see we have this font here. And if I wanted to delete this folder, watch what happens. I can't do it because Word is open, so you'll have to close all your Office apps. I'm not going to save this. So now I could delete it. Now I'll go back into Word. And now you can see it's a cloud font again, so it's not downloaded. So if I wanted to use it again, I would have to download it. So if you want to remove all of your downloaded cloud fonts, you could just come in here and delete them all from this folder. Just make sure you have Office closed. All right, so now what if you want to make it to where you don't even have these showing in your list? You only want to see your actual installed fonts. So to do that, you need to go to File and Account, and then Manage Settings under Account Privacy, and then scroll down to Connected Experiences, and then there's a section here that says Experiences that download online content, and uncheck this box. So if you turn this off, some experiences won't be available to you. So just to let you know, when you turn this off, you might disable some other features that you might use. So if you find you're missing something, you might have to come back here and turn this back on. You know, it's like templates, images, videos, and so on. So we're going to say OK. So we need to restart Office again. So now when we go here, you can see we don't have any cloud fonts. It's just the installed fonts on Windows, which you could get to from the settings. And then, of course, you could also get to them from Control Panel, which you might like this interface better. It's a little cleaner. Go to Fonts here. And then you could manage your fonts from there as well. And then, of course, you could always get to the fonts from the Windows directory on your C drive, Windows, Fonts, and you'll see the same thing there. All right, so let me go back and turn this back on. So under Manage Settings, go down to Connected Experiences, check this box again, restart Word or Excel, whatever program you're using. Now we have the cloud option back. All right, so once again, to download a cloud font, just simply click on the cloud icon, then it'll be downloaded to this folder here. And if you want to remove a specific cloud font, just go to that folder with Office closed, delete the associated folder, and then that'll be gone. And of course, if you want to use that font, you'll have to download it again. And if you want to turn off the cloud font feature, go to File, Account, Manage settings, go down to connected experiences, then uncheck the box under experiences that download online content, restart Office, and then it'll be gone. All right, thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe.